Keep distance, this is everywhere. Like a sense of death with mix. Nobody wanna fuck us and keep up old school music. More special effect, rap is dangerous from drama. Even the virus, traffic is not fading off. Who the greatest crime, everyone is dying. I don't think for fear, I speak reality on the mind. If the true old school dance around, I'm a mind, this is the make of the truth. You just full of that dance around, so we can beat you around. Face to face, next climb the stage. Spirit like Michael J. White. Now we can't have a favorite lucid graffiti. An old eye like unity. Check on this one, we ain't got nothing in common. If I had mentioned man, just rest in peace. Take the calls, go back to these mountains from my death revolution. I'll snap you one by one. I'll come like a boat to take that on the one. That's how I go. I'm not praising him because he comes from my area code. But fascinating fun. GNL, you're so critical that you can't go for 5 minutes without losing with the flow. Now, put your ass down, listen to the lectures. Scream of the great late dawn, still breath, take me. Counts, I'll talk with this day, see what that's depression and aggression. Killing fat rappers and putting out the new pushes. Is there any question? No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Then shout this nigga, if you ain't nothing, keep up also the music. Prodigies, that's a news maker, one of the facts that I'm talking about. I'm from the young fearless, never go to jail, don't in the way. Only fear, all I never for the dream. I'm on, when I feel us, I'm pushing you that lead to your whole role, and the brand one get a good job. I'm to change the whole generation, I'm changing it on. I know stepping into the ring, but for all the judgments you're making your brain because only God can judge me, but if you want it, I'll just destroy my line. You took long to gain, but your contribution keep up old school music is still only 5%. I know I need to shut me down, the lead key, your real bad life is the phenomenon of the truth, the world is skeptic, tiny. Heretic niggas who pretend to know people, but the physical rap is completely fake. The jacking was quite a long time, you can name the bad ass from the stars to shine. You're all rusty, you bad, you feel where it came from. music. Show me the king of central, not like Cody. So you can't know anything about hip-hop rap music. Stop pretending. Don't be the first time like you move like you answer me. Cause you ain't gonna like it for the rest of your life, niggas. I don't feel all the rap, just like I don't feel future rap from New York City. Believe me, it sounds like a nightmare to all the fake stupid rappers on YouTube. What you never expected, you thought you were either in the struggle to keep up, but you're exposed in the eyes of the dog. You feel that honest rap, your own subordinates, answer, fraternity rules. Otherwise, I will break all your neck. Don't disappear, don't double, I'm the spirit. Silence around, press the key sign. Feel my crops, make it 5 stars. Get ready, you're all burning air. Cause progress is only meant for gangsters. According to Kuyo and the Baksha Who. Slangless needs, there's no better than keep up rap music. Acknowledge you, better go back to your traditional music. Don't you dare forget my rap style. Cause talent is talent. Money never make it. Believe me, your legs are okay. Don't you ever fuck with me, cause you know I got it. Don't you ever call me upcoming, cause I've been lonely. Dig deep into the ground, then you gonna find about history. I'm underground rapper, exhibit 1 stand up while the real one is underground. Stand up yourself, then pull up your stuff. Niggas, if you mess around with my ego, you mess around with your own life. Cause I ain't got nothing going. Easy.
We don't need no need, pay well, not the one you need. Yes, so now we're going to change MC from Yan. Let's go one now. And the below MC, don't say, well, what you here for? Yes. This is the Sonic.